guys, Chris here and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to unbox this Oppo A53. So if you want to get a chance to win this phone, make sure to subscribe and watch the whole video. So guys, ito yung box natin. As you can see, napaka-plain and simple lang niya. So at the front part, you can see the image of the phone. And at the upper right corner, you can see the 4GB RAM and the 64GB internal storage space. While at the back part, you can see the main specification of the phones. While on both sides, the Oppo logo. At the top and bottom part, wala naman nakalagay. So guys, let's start unboxing this phone. So upon unboxing, makikita nyo agad yung cellphone. But let's put this aside first and check kung ano po yung mga nasa loob ng box natin. So upon checking, makikita natin agad ang clear gel case. Okay. And then, meron tayong mga paperworks. Also, at the back, we have the SIM ejector. Oh, and we have the wall adapter 18 watts fast charging. And then, we have here the USB Type-C cable. Okay, so that's it. Wala nang laman yung box. And if you notice, wala siyang kasamang earphones. So now, let's go to the phone itself. So, open natin to. Oh guys, ang ganda ng color. Yan. So by the way guys, speaking of colors, we have three colors. We have the electric black, the fairy white, and the fancy blue. So this is the fancy blue. Ewan ko lang guys if nakikita nyo. But as you can see, may gradient yung color natin. Sa top part medyo light, pagdating sa bottom part mas darker blue siya. So, ito yung fancy blue natin. So, guys, pag-usapan na natin ngayon yung front ng cellphone. It's a 6.5-inch display with a 82.9 screen-to-body ratio and a resolution of 720 by 1600, 20:9 aspect ratio. And guys, ang maganda pa dito is made from Corning Gorilla Glass 3 pa ang screen ng phone na to. So, guys, looking closely, we notice na may kasama na pala tong screen protector and nakakabit na siya. Kaya less hassle for us. And dito naman sa upper left, makikita natin yung front-facing camera. Now at the back part. At the upper left corner, we have a AAA eye camera. And beside it is the fingerprint scanner. At the lower portion, we have the Oppo logo. So on the left side, we can see the SIM tray and the 2 volume button. While on the right side, we can see the power button. So while at the bottom part, we have the 3.5mm audio jack, the microphone, the Type-C port, and the speaker grill. By the way guys, itong SIM tray na to, can accommodate 2 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. So guys, ang napansin ko lang dito is, dahil glossy ang back niya, fingerprint magnet siya. Kaya I recommend you using this jelly case that is included in the box of this phone. Para iwas na rin tayo sa dagdag fingerprint. And now, it's time to turn on this phone. Upon opening this phone, makikita natin yung IPS LED screen niya with a 90Hz refresh rate. It has a brightness of 480 nits and a pixel density of 269 ppi with a color gamut of 65% NTSC. Now, powering this phone is the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 with an Adreno 610 GPU. It also has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, upgradable up to 256GB. This phone is running Android 10 OS. For the battery naman, it has a 5000 mAh which charges from 20% to 100% in 2 hours and 30 minutes. Actually guys, medyo matagal yun compared to other Android phones which charges from 0 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Now for our main camera, we have a 13MP wide and dalawang 2MP na macro and depth. You can also shoot a 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. So guys, I'm currently using the front camera which has a 16MP wide and it can also shoot HDR 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. So guys, itong phone na to sobrang perfect para sa mga taong mahilig mag-selfies and mag-vlog. So now guys, itest na natin yung sound quality ng phone na to.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So para naman sa mga mahilig maglaro dyan, can you play intensive mobile game using this Oppo A53? Based on our experience, smooth ang paglalaro namin ng Mobile Legends on medium and recommended settings. Na-try din namin mag-high settings and surprisingly, maganda rin ang performance ng phone na to. Sa COD naman, wala naman ako naging problem sa gaming experience ko as long as nasa recommended settings ito. So overall, kaya mag-mobile gaming dito sa Oppo A53 as long as recommended settings lang ang gagamitin sa first-person shooting games. While kaya naman yung mag-high settings for mobile games like Mobile Legends and Wild Rift. So for me guys, itong Oppo A53 with its price tag na 8,990 pesos, makaka-experience ka na ng magandang phone which can take beautiful pictures, not to mention the 16 megapixel selfie camera para sa mga mahilig mag-selfies and mag-vlog. And meron din tayong 5,000 mAh battery na kayang tumagal ng isang buong araw. And lastly, the gaming. Wala naman kami naging negative experience as long as nasa recommended settings lang siya. By the way guys, it's the holiday season and Christmas is just around the corner. To celebrate the spirit of Christmas, we'll be giving away this Oppo A53 to one lucky subscriber if and only if we reach the 1,000 subscriber milestone on our channel. All you have to do is to subscribe to our channel and comment down below kung ano nagustuhan niyo sa video na to with a hashtag Christmas with Zapp. So this giveaway will be running until January 30, 2021 and draw date will be January 31. So good luck guys, and that's it for this video. This is Riz and thank you for watching Zapp Studios. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! Bye!